So we're looking at left-hand bells, which is page 9 in the orange book. Now, the first line of left-hand bells is where we sort of cover all the technique, and then the second and third line are really just to make the whole thing into a nice tune. So it starts on middle C. Now, here's middle C on my harp. I think on lots of your harps, the bottom string is here, and middle C will just be the second red one up, and then you'll have lots of other strings up here. So it's not in the middle at all on your harp. But anyway, this is middle C for me. And I'm going to put my thumb on middle C, and I'm going to put my Mr. 2 on the string next door, one below, on the B flat. Okay, and it's going to go like this. Okay, so hear those bells. Watch again. What we're looking out for is a giraffe thumb and a nice open palm, and the thumb is going to close in a rainbow arc right the way down that. So it's not just going to do this, but it's going to close right the way down like that. And the second finger, which you can't actually see because I'm using my left hand, is closing into the palm. So watch again. Hear those bells. The next bit, the thumb goes back on the C where it just was, but the third finger is going to go on the G. That's one above the black string, okay? The second finger is just tucked out the way. It's not clenched at all, but just imagine it's gone on holiday. It's out of the way. And so the next bit goes like this. Let them ring. I can't sing down there. But if you put it together, it sounds like this. And then you get the same thing again. Okay, so the next bit, I like to use the words bells are ringing, ding dong. Okay, and it's going to be here. It's going to be on the E flat. So that's, see the C that you were on here, middle C. Count up 2 from there. There's the E flat, okay? And it's going to go bells are ringing, ding dong. So it started on the E flat. You then skip over the black one, skip over the F. You go to the G. Watch again. So you get 2 E flats, 2 Gs, and then 2 slow Ds. Once more. Bells are ringing, ding dong. Then we go down one step, back onto the C, and we get children singing folk song. Now the spacing between those notes is exactly the same, but it's sort of shifted down. So if I go from the bells are ringing again, you watch. Bells are ringing, ding dong. Children singing folk song. Once more. Bells are ringing, ding dong. Children singing folk song. So if I put it together from the beginning, we'd get hear those bells, let them ring. Hear those bells, let them ring. Bells are ringing, ding dong. Children singing folk song. Now the next bit is another bells are ringing. Bells are ringing, ding dong. And then to finish it off, we have what a tuneful day. It's actually a tiger prowling day. So if you know your tiger prowling. And then to finish it off, the last note, we just go down a step, like that. So I'll play you the whole thing. Hear those bells, let them ring. Hear those bells, left hand bells. And right hand bells is exactly the same thing, but with the right hand and up an octave, so starting on the higher C.